Hello everyone, and welcome to a fresh assignment this week, a brand new start. This week it's going to be really important for you to go visit the description under this video to find a link. You're going to visit that link because there's a problem outlined on that website that's going to kind of be a guide for us. So I want to give credit to Catherine Castillo, who came up with this problem. We're going to use her guidelines, but we're going to adapt some things and think about some things that aren't necessarily on her website. But that's an important place for us to visit. That's where we're going to start our task this week. Now, when you visit that website, you could easily scroll through and you'll see it says Act 1, Act 2, Act 3. There's 3 parts to this. But I really want to encourage you to just stick with one piece at a time. Today we're only going to look at Act 1. This is how we're going to make sense of this problem. And like we have in other weeks, we're going to go day by day and we'll keep progressing. But today is just Act 1. So here's how it will work. When you get to that website, you'll see under Act 1, there's a short video clip. You're going to watch the video clip. As you watch, you want to be thinking. And you want to identify, what do I notice? And what are some things I wonder about what I see? It's a very short video clip, but I would even recommend after you've watched it, go ahead and make a T-chart, really simple. I notice on one side, I wonder on the other side. Actually take some time to jot some notes down, write some things down. Don't just fly through the video and then move to the next part of Act 1. Take some time to think because it's going to help us make sense of this problem. So once you've watched the video and you've written down some notes, I notice this, this, and this, I wonder this and this, then we're going to move to the next part of Act 1. We're not moving to Act 2 yet. The goal is to find out what fraction of each candy are in the bag. And so to do that, we're making an estimate as of now because we don't, just from that video, we don't have any specific information. We just have what we notice and what we wonder as of now. So to make that estimate, we're actually going to have 3 different answers. There are 3 different types of candy in the bag. There are Hershey Kisses, there are Reese's Cups, and there are Rolos. So you're going to have 3 different fractions for this first estimate. Now what you need to think about is if we're going to make an estimate in fraction form, we still need to know how many pieces of candy there are in total in the bag. That's going to be an estimate. We don't know that information. So think about how that's going to play a role in creating these estimates in fraction form. If you recall, there are 2 important parts in our fractions. There's a numerator and a denominator. Your estimate for the total amount of candy is going to play a part in making these estimates in fraction form. And then as you use that information, you'll also want to think about how these answers maybe will be the same or maybe similar or maybe they'll be different. If you need to go back and watch that video clip again, you can watch the video clip again, but watching the video clip is not about trying to slow it down so much that you can try to count everything. Kind of like in our mysteries, the estimation part, it's important. So today we're focused only on Act 1. If you scroll down and you look ahead, you'll get some other clues, but it's not going to really help us make sense of the information day by day. So I encourage you, stay on pace with us. Act 1. Watch the video clip. Again, the link is in the description below this video. Write down, what do you notice just from watching the clip? What do you wonder? And then make your estimate. What's the fraction of each candy that we find in the bag? And in order to do that, one part of your estimate is how many total pieces of candy are in the bag. You'll have to figure out how that plays a role in coming up with these 3 fractions. Those will be your estimates to get started this week. And then we'll keep moving on as the days progress. So enjoy getting started. Hope you have a great day today, and we will see you soon.